Hello, welcome to another episode of How to Code. Today you are going to learn about the gets method. The gets method takes in a user input so that you can store and process it. To begin, go back to the website in the previous video, link is in the description, and type puts, space, and in quotes enter a word. Press enter, type x equals gets.chomp. Press enter again and type puts, then type in quotes you entered #, left curly brace, x, and right curly brace. Click run, and when it says enter a word, type a word and press enter. It should repeat the word you just entered into the computer. Stay tuned for the next video.